Okay, today just go to unboxing for this. Got a seal from the seller itself, auto box. So this one is a bit smaller, look like more like a phone. Okay, I'm more interested with this because the reason I get this is because of the clamp. Okay, the clamp got auto voltage and got the USB-C menu, that's all. So let's try. Okay, this is the battery and power button here. On the right there's a on and off button. When you on, there's an indication of the battery, how many percentage. Here nothing. Here there's a torchlight, 2 USB port. Of course this is the jumper start port. Then input is to charge is using the USB-C. And this is specification. B10 Pro, 12,800 milliampere. So I think suitable to jumpstart the Habib battery, 12-volt battery. And when I on like this, press and hold here, nothing. On this, press and hold the button. This is a torchlight. Okay, so the main good reason is this one, that with this voltage previously my B9 got a button in here, but this one don't have. So they also include the carrying pouch to carry. There is no case for this model. Okay, I'm going to test using this one. This is honey pump honey, or you can use to extract engine oil using this one. I'm going to do some other video using the extraction the engine oil using this pump, or maybe using the alternative easiest way pump. You may check my other video on that. So I plug in this. So it's circling and okay. There's a click, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7 click, they were off like this. So it's a timeout. So I need to unplug this and plug it back. Oh, this is not easy. The thing close by itself. Okay, need to unplug like that to reset. Oh, straight away on. So the voltage is 16 volt required for this motor. If I on like this, straight away you see the 16 volt. Second click, third click, fourth, 5, 6, 7. Let me off it. What happened? Okay, now become ready. So if I on again, okay, there will this time out. So I cannot continue using it off like this, so I need to, oops, sorry, I need to unplug the thing and plug it back. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Let me off. So you see already. On the 5 click, I turn it off. See whether I can do a maximum until 7 again. One. Oh, so this guy always counting until 7 click, then they will off. No matter what. So even you disconnect the clamp from the battery, you will end up with this if your car cannot start. So you still need to unplug this guy and plug it back. So if like this will be 7 click. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Off. So in order to reset the thing, you need to off and off, plug it and plug it back the thing. So eventually you need to read the manual to understand more, and can see here standby is circling, so LV is light up or got a buzzer sound. Jump starter voltage means the battery on the jump starter is low. We can detect reverse polarity also, and disconnect it, then change the RC means jump start success. Okay. HT internal battery is too hot. This is one. This is the one. 3 places means start timeout protection. Remove the clamps and try again. Try later and start the overrun protection. 888 flashes, high voltage protection. RC means battery voltage detection. Okay. So when you plug in the thing here, assume the indication is just standby, so means I don't need to press anything. I think on here, these voltmeters, not sure whether can see can see, yeah. Okay, just plug it in. It's about 12.8. If I plug it in, it's standby. Okay, let me try, because I don't think I need to jump start this because it's still above 11. Yep, in this condition means I don't need to jump start this, because look at the light on the booth is too very bright, so you can use just to detect. Can now drop 1 volt. Okay, 2 days later, my car, the 12 battery, I think is no more voltage. You can see the light is not turning on. So I'll give you a try this one. Second time to test. Previous video is actually just to show how it works. So this is the actual testing. So I'm going to use this. Open the positive first. Clamp it. Clamp. Okay, it's a voltage about 3.4 volt. Very low. You can see 3.4. And let's give a try to put this. Okay, straight away become okay, now the light is on, become 15.16. so I need to pump, I need to start the engine. Okay, just now I did test, did start the engine. So once start the engine, so means the clicking 7 times is to tell you that you need to get the engine started. So this is how it works on the new one. Still limited to the time that they give you by providing from this voltage meter, smart voltage meter. But it's very safe to plug it to the battery because of this. Once you plug it in, there's no current coming out from your battery. The only thing, when you plug into battery, then you start the engine, they will give a current. Sorry. So once this one is connected to this battery, then they will give current to the car. Then we start the engine. Okay, that's about it for this today. For this, I'm reviewing this Beatit B10 Pro. Thank you.